Ayy, I ain't think I was this poppin' till I seen it through my partner eyes. I just started shit right to the trap like I ain't monetized. She won't find another nigga like me, I just prophesize. And dove in that pussy, throw it back, that hoe too volatile. Clutching on the five, thanking God that I'm my mama child. Really in the big one like a movie, ain't shit dramatized. I ain't even mingling no more.
What it do, boys? We are back with another video. Last couple videos have kind of been more chill, just showing you guys my daily routine. But today, I decided I'm kind of going to take the day off work a little bit, well, some of the afternoon at least. And we're going to go hang out with some friends that I have in town. Jake's here, Nick's here, Keller's here. They're all here for Beamer Invasion. Unfortunately, I'm not going because I just sold my M3. I wanted the money for it and I didn't ever drive it. So I went to the shop and it got sold. Matter of fact, the person that bought it is probably watching this video right now, so shout out to you. But today, I don't know exactly what we're gonna get into because I don't really know what the plan is, but I finished unboxing this morning. Got a couple things done quick before we head out, and we're about to head out to, I think we're going to Topgolf.
It's a lot of hoes in here, a lot of lost souls. Whole group of dime bitches.
I just realized, ever since I got the wrap and the paint match done on the Porsche, I haven't shown you guys this yet. But this is the current setup. I'm loving this thing, bro. This is like, I haven't even driven the Aventador since I got it back from the shop, because y'all remember when it got hit again, I had to send it to the shop to get the bumper fixed. Now it's back. The bumper is fixed. But I haven't even driven it once since I got it back. It's been sitting there. I've just been driving this car. But they did the full paint match. All of the plastic parts they matched to the wrap, and obviously they didn't like wrap or paint over the carbon because why the fuck would you do that? And then the Boston wheels, y'all remember the vlog where I got these. It looks really, really good from the back. They colored these letters like white or like a lighter gray, and then they did like the full paint match back here. So this thing looks insane, but like they took off every single little plastic piece like that. Up in here they took all this and like they paint matched everything so that it's just like one solid gray. Otherwise it would have been like gray with the black plastic parts. So it cost me a lot more money to get all the plastic parts done, but it looks way, way better. And obviously I'm keeping this car. I'm not getting rid of this, but the Trackhawk went to the dealership to get sold. The M3 is already sold, and today might be my last day driving the Lambo before we send that to the dealership to get sold. And I know a lot of people are gonna comment and be like, why are you selling the Lambo? Like, please don't sell that car. We love that car. And I know you guys love that car, and I do too, but bro, it just sits there. Like the only place I go to, y'all know this by now, the only place I go to is the gym. And it's like every day I drive to the gym, I take this big body, and anywhere else I go that like I want to drive a fun car, I always just end up driving the Porsche, because the Aventador is just like, it's fun, but you know, with the traffic and stuff, a lot of times it can be a hassle. That car is more of like my late night, like hop in the whip. And I have like a lot of equity in it, so if I sell it, I'll get a nice little chunk of change, which is nice too. And then, I don't know, maybe in the near future, I'll buy another car, add one more car to the fleet, maybe do like a build on something. Who knows? But for now, I'm just gonna kind of rock these two whips.
I know what you will be doing in here. You want me to stay till the morning. I know just what you be doing in here. You call me whenever you're on. Let me come do it in here. I'm going. Okay, and I love how you doing it. Take it down each time I'm screwing it. Okay, and I'm loving your face. Fuck you good, put you in your place. Lamborghini Storado, speeding off. Getting here while I'm driving, I'm geeking off. Oh my god, yeah, move like a Reaper, huh? She a bad little jump, better keep her on. See me leaning to the like you want. Talking game to the bitch like.
What's up, bro? What's up, dude? How are you? Can't get my car to lock. I'm Brez. Nice to meet you.
Aiden.
I've seen this thing before.
Really?
On Instagram, I think. Yeah.
Your shit. Your
This is the
RS.
Largo kit, right?
Yeah. Your RS looks sick with the gray, bro.
Thank you, bro.
Yeah, but typical McLaren shit. Yeah, dude.
Yeah.
What's up, bro? How are you?
Hey, man.
Good, chilling. Nice to
Very
meet you.
good. What's up, Kelly?
What you drive today?
What's up, bro? How's it going? Nice to meet you.
What you bring?
The Aventador. I haven't driven it in like a month, so I was like, fuck it, I'm gonna take it. But the traffic is cooked.
Bro, traffic's I think it's worse than LA.
Yeah, it is.
bad.
For sure is. But it's like if you just when you live here, you maneuver around it. Like you go places earlier in the morning. It's not bad if you maneuver around it, but.
So during the day, you're just hanging out at home?
Yeah, bro. I literally go to the gym in the morning and then I just stay home like the whole day. I try not to leave the house in the afternoon unless I like have to. But
I've always been curious, like, what's your like day consist of? So you work out in the morning. Do you just randomly spitball video ideas?
I think of something and I just film it right away. Like your shit, you're very like planned out, huh? With your videos.
Make a plan the night before, and then I do them all like within like the first 3 hours of the day, and then the rest of the day is like YouTube and stuff.
Me, it's just like idea comes to mind. Oh, I just go film it.
Scaling start.
Like when do I actually work?
Sure.
Yeah.
I mean, like throughout the whole day. Like I go to the gym in the morning and then I just like I'm at my computer majority of the day, or just chilling at home if I'm not working. But
You're just looking at like clients ads, right, and seeing like what's like running right and stuff.
yeah, I mean, it depends on the day because I have like employees under my agency as well that do a lot of that stuff for me.
Yeah, because that's one thing. Like when I do like my giveaways, obviously I run ads. That way I'm not like drowning my content with like giveaway stuff, because sometimes people don't want to see it. So I like the ads because then it targets the right people. But when you run people's ads, do you shoot their ads too, or do you just run the back end?
The people we run ads for, a lot of them are like e-com brands. So it's like supplements, skincare, clothing, jewelry, stuff like that. So a lot of it nowadays is like AI. Like we're just using AI to make ad creatives, and then we just publish those as ads. So they get like raw content of the product, send that to us, and then we use AI to like actually make ad creatives. Bro's going straight for the driver. No warm up.
Yeah, bro, stick to YouTube. Let's stay to YouTube.
It's not working. Oh, that's not too bad. That's not too bad. I don't have enough inventory. So it's like we didn't need to run ads because like it just sold out on its own in like a couple hours. So once we get more inventory, then I'm gonna like really get in the trenches with like running ads and like showing the back end of it.
You're not treating it like I treat my merch, where it's limited, right? You're just gonna have trenches like on a site, and that's just a thing.
It's just we can't make inventory fast enough right now. And we're kind of starting slow, you know, but then as we kind of bootstrap it more, we want to be able to get to the point where we just constantly have inventory and just scale as hard as we can.
That'd be cool. Get in like stores and stuff.
What was that? I could have had
Out to me, like to get it in 7-Eleven and Walmart.
Really?
Yeah.
Local or just anywhere?
Really? Yeah. Which we'll do that once we have enough inventory, you know? I need to start with an iron, not a driver.
A specific spec or just 9600?
Damn! Alright. Fuck this guy. It's not as fun when someone's good at Topgolf. It's not as fun. You can't shit on him. Yeah. You kind of chunked that one, dude. Yeah, that was alright.
Should I try it?
Yeah, go. Bro, that's so random. That's fire, though. Look at Power Slap just randomly DM me. Want to come to Power Slap 19 in Vegas on April 17th? We'll get you a hotel and 2 VIP tickets. Hell yeah, I want to go, bro, for free?
That's lit, bro.
Shit, bro. I'm there. Bet.
Riding with your bitch, got a tens and we pocket in a bottle for the tris. 5 racks in a bank, put it all up on me wrist. Never fucking with a lane when we riding in the mist, nah. Like I'm riding with your bitch, got a tens and we pocket in a bottle for the tris. 5 racks in a bank, put it all up on me wrist. Never fucking with a lane when we riding in the mist, nah. Nighttime when I'm creeping to the mansion. Black gems on me neck, stay dancing.
There's no way we just fit that for like 7 people.
Holy liars. I knew. We just went to Kith because it's easier to get to here, isn't it?
From where?
This is not Kith. Oh, it is.
Kith is right there. Skitters across the street.
Yeah. That's crazy. I didn't know that. I've only been here once when I like first moved here. I remember it was so good.
I don't know. Everyone takes it in the ass every now and then, right? You guys too, right? How nice is that supposed to be, right? Right?
What? Bro, that boy just gave me free ice cream.
Big fan, bro. I appreciate it, bro. I fucked with trench juice.
You have it?
Yeah, we all tried it.
It's good, bro. Y'all actually fucked with it? Because we've been getting some mixed opinions.
This is the only thing about it, it just has like a little bit of aftertaste.
Yeah, a little bitter. So a lot of people say, oh, it's bitter. A lot of people say, oh, it's really good. So we're trying to figure out like the middle ground we can find without adding sugar, how to make it like not bitter, you know?
Added like healthy, yeah, like natural stuff, like natural maple syrup or something like that. It'd be really good.
Of course. What language is that?
Spanish.
I thought it was like Chinese or some shit.
But yeah.
It's me. Appreciate you, bro.
Where did you get that from? It's the R8 key.
No, I'm actually so confused how you got that.
I don't think you really. This is
Wait, what?
It's the exact same key as an R8 key.
Oh.
That's crazy.
Wait, so that actually is the RS?
You can that. Yeah, I know. It's crazy because you could. I don't know if you knew this.
Yeah, but how did you get my key?
No, so
You
here's the
brought
thing.
it to 'em.
I don't know if you know this. You park here at valet, you give them the key, and then when they give you back the key, it's a car that's worth 4 times your original car's price. It's pretty cool. You
So
can
then
take
you
it for a
just take
spin if
that
you
one.
want. Yeah, go for it. Hop in.
Oh, so this is our car now.
No, it's mine.
Oh.
Our.
Oh, shit. Sorry.
Shit's not
my bad.
sweet
My
around
fault.
here,
My
dude.
fault. My fault.
Probably yeah. There you go. Okay.
So where's everybody else gonna be at?
Nick.
Stand on the hood.
Yeah, Nick. Or stand in the front. I don't know.
I'll carry right back, alright?
Wait, everybody else gotta be somewhere else. We gotta get it.
We're gonna break your hood if we all.
No, not everybody stand on it.
Let's stand on it. You guys stand here.
What boy band is this?
Shit, Ready, 3, 2, 1. All right, I gotta get rolling. Catch you, boys.
Very good to see you.
Adios. Good to meet you.
You guys are here like through the weekend?
Nice to see you again.
Yeah.
Good to see you, bro.
See you too, bro.
Yeah, if you guys are doing anything, let me know.
I think it's a little too quiet, honestly, for me.
Yeah, I think the valves are closed.
Yeah.
Yeah, probably.
Have you ever thought about putting an exhaust on it?
I don't know. I just kind of like things to be stock.
Yeah.
You know? Like, I don't wrap cars or anything. I don't do any wraps. Like, I give the vlog some context, like an update.
Yeah, can't do.
Just this. It should be fine. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we made it back to the crib. Now I got a call with the new AI advertiser program. So this is gonna be just like a general kind of Q&A I got with them for the next hour or so. Just kind of go through any sort of questions they have. Probably pull up some different lessons and stuff. Should be a good little session here. So I'll do that, get a little other work done, and see you guys in a bit for dinner with a special guest. Yo! What's good, everyone? So have you gotten to the section in the course yet at all to do with like your AI agent?
And that's like the personal thing that you were talking about?
Yeah. So like the reward of the challenge is like your agent that connects to what you have already built through the course, and it's like an agent that specifically is meant for building websites. So that way, like when you sign a client, right, you can upsell them. You can one of two things. You can upsell them on a website, which is like a way to, you know, milk more money out of that client. Or two, you can give them a website for free. Like say you're reaching out to a lead, right? And the lead is like kind of iffy about working with you. But you're able to say like, yo, what if I build you a website for free? And it only takes you like, 5 minutes to build them a website. Like it doesn't take you any time at all. But that's going to break the barrier from like them being skeptical of working with you to you now giving them some sort of like free asset that they're like, oh shit, like this, this dude is serious. And now they have that free asset to use, and then it just makes closing the deal way easier. So it's like your own little agent that can build websites for you. It's like an AI agent.
Alright.
You basically just tell it what you want it to do, and it just makes it for you.
Alright, but thank you, bro.
Of course. Yo, how old are you?
Alright. I'm 14.
14. Damn, bro. 14. You're young. I respect it, bro.
Yeah.
I love
Thank
the
you.
hustle.
Alright, have a good night, bros.
You too, bro. I think that's our youngest. You should take pride in that, Roman. I think you're our youngest AI advertiser member.
Like, I just wanted to ask you, bro, when did you get to the point where you were like starting to hire people, and you know, like obviously you were more e-com, so it, like, you know, you didn't need like cold callers or nothing, or as much.
Mm-hmm.
But like, yeah, when were you kind of at that point?
Bro, I feel like the best way I can describe it to anybody who's like struggling to understand what point in their business they need to start hiring people is as soon as you get to a point in your business where you're doing too many things to keep it afloat and not enough things to push it forward. Does that make sense?
Yeah, for sure. Like when you're at that point struggling, like, damn,
yeah,
I'm doing too much cold calling, or like,
it's like, damn, I'm spending too much time in a day doing things to just keep my business at the point it's at, and I'm not doing enough things that are actually pushing my business forward.
For sure, you're almost at like a cap up, like
Yeah.
a threshold.
It's like you hit a, holy shit, what's the word? I'm blanking.
Oh yeah, I hear you.
Hit a
I hear you.
plateau. You hit a plateau. W, first call in the new program. Spam some W's in the chat. Make sure you guys are there tomorrow for Rod's call. That'll be very important. I promise you this stuff will blow your guys' mind.
What's up, boys? Welcome to Brez's vlog. Just some words of motivation, guys. I met Brez like 5-6 years ago. He was DMing me because I'm one of the guys who started the Fortnite clan called Chronic, and a bunch of people were grinding for that clan back in the Fortnite days, and he actually DM'd me, like begging me, like, yo, Orange, please check out my Fortnite clips. And now look at him today, bro. He's made way more money than I have. Look at all the cars he has, all the cool shit he's been able to accomplish, and just crazy, bro. I've seen this kid's journey, and he was just a legit, like most of you guys that are probably watching right now, or maybe you're fucking older than us, but I know tons of people who didn't make it till way later 20s or early 30s or whatever the case is, so you can do it too.
Maybe it's a little bit rushed, but I'm falling in love. Well, that's not too much, but this isn't a crush. I've done that enough, girl, I know that it's real. Just like you fell down from heaven, I've been waiting forever, so long. And I know we can do this together. How do you feel? Is it anything like I've done?
Josh, you ever to Tokyo?
But you're going with like a bunch of people, I don't know them.
No, we're not going with them. They just happen to be there. Completely separate trip.
Bro, I think a Tokyo vlog would be lit.
That's what I'm saying. Josh is like, yeah, let's go.
He gets to go for free.
I will help you get an itinerary that is dirt cheap. I promise you.
When? End of this month? I gotta pay my taxes, bro. I'm poor.
I promise you, you will go for like a few $1,000.
It's different.
I'll get you there first class, round trip, everywhere we go, and every hotel, crazy hotel on point, or depending where you want to stay, you know.
You can figure that out for me for us three to go?
Easily. Oh, you don't have school? You're gonna go?
She'll figure it out. She'll get off.
Just Tokyo or Bali too?
When does your semester end?
I don't know. Alright, fellas, that's a wrap on another video. Appreciate y'all watching as always. Make sure to subscribe, like, leave a comment down below. Subscribe to him as well.
Nah, you don't gotta do that, but you know what you do gotta do? You gotta sub to him. If you sub to him, you get one of those guaranteed. I will give you one myself.
Oh shit, you heard the man. So hit that sub button.
One random subscriber when I hit 10 mil subs.
Facts, what he said. And also, if you're interested in applying for the new AI advertiser program, link is in the description. My other socials are linked in the description. And I'll catch y'all in the next video. Peace.
Yeah.
Play too much Fortnite, bro. Look at this.
You know that one?
What one?
That one?
Yeah.
Which one is it?
Justice.
Okay, which one?
Ride the pony.
Oh shit, you see you're tapped in.